In this video, I'm going to show you how to download music from YouTube as MP3. Go to any browser and browse youtube.com. Click on your profile icon on upper right corner. Click on YouTube Studio. On left menu pane, you will find out Audio Library. Click on it. Here you will find thousands of MP3 music tracks. If you wish, you can play MP3 online here by clicking on play icon. Or you can download on your local storage. To download, hover the mouse pointer on music track and you will find download icon. Click on it, or when you play the music track you will find download icon on lower right corner. Click on the download icon. Download is started and download is finished. Now I am going to check. Click on download icon on upper right corner. Click on show in folder. Right click on music track and click on play with media player. That's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.